It's Adam from Buzzy here. We've got something really cool to show you today. The Figma connector that we've been created to work with the Buzzy platform allows you to do some pretty cool things. You can turn your Figma file into a responsive website or a native application with no coding. It allows you to keep updating things on the fly so you can iterate in your designs and not have to go through that lengthy process of waiting for development teams to turn things around. This is really going to change the way that you work. You can use real content. Your app's live. If you're getting user-generated content or back-end database content, you can use all of that. So you can capture data. Let's just show you a quick example of how this is going to work. So we've got an example application here. It's a recipe application. It allows you to view recipes, drinks, and so on. So we've got the Buzzy plugin open. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the timestamp over here. We're going to change this to 1010, and we're going to click Create New App. So what's happening in the background is we're looking at the way that your Figma file is constructed. You can also use the plugin to mark up your different screens, fields, etc. Repeating bits, all that stuff with no coding. It's super, super easy. We'll use that then to generate a real live working app with a back-end database that works both as a site and a native application. And when I say native, it's truly native. We use React Native at the back end, not that you have to code in that. So let's have a look at that generated site. So we'll just open that in the browser and we'll see that come up. And here it is. So we've got applications. So here we've got things, and this data is coming from a back end. We've got the jitterbug recipe, we've got the Barracuda one, we've got the atom bomb. So let's have a look at this jitterbug one, and we can go, wow, yum. And we can actually put a review in. So this is illustrating that it's actually got a live database at the back end that's generating and keeping everything up to date in real time. So you can give this application to users, capture feedback, and really get feedback in terms of how the UI works and the user experience is going to benefit the user and where you need to tweak things. And again, to change things, you just come back to your Figma file, you tweak it and republish the app, and that's super cool. Where it gets super cool is that we can actually have a look at this application as a React Native application. So this is just a preview of this. We've been working on the responsive website stuff for a while. We're bringing this to the new application out so you can see it through the preview app. And here it is. So if we had a look at that and we scroll down to the jitterbug, what we're going to see is there's that data and there's that review. How cool is that? Real live native application website, all in one, straight from your Figma file. We've been working in beta with a number of different users over the past several weeks, and we've been seeing some really cool stuff. If we had a look at, let's have a look at one of those sites over here. So this is actually one that a freelancer put together. This was a fitness app. And if we looked at this fitness application, it's all got all different screens. You can come in and you can put workouts, meditations, meal information. That is actually generated as a live application. So let's have a look at that. Let's have a look at that live app. So this is the workout application that a freelancer created with Buzzy. We're so excited seeing the type of things that users can do. So this is the workout application, and again, this is fully responsive, so we can have a look at this. This again, obviously works as a native application. Here we can see the workouts, and then you can do things like put your workout logs in, actually give this to users. So you're going to be able to really test the application. So super excited. Get onto buzzycompany.com. Give it a go. We're going to be getting it into the Figma community real soon, and we look forward to see all the cool things that you can do with the site. Thanks for watching.